Talk about a splash zone.
Well, I'm not thirsty anymore. And now you have plenty of water to take with you. Problem solved.
But Thomas isn't carrying water. He's hauling sand.